Hey friends, in this video I will show you that how to promote your Telegram channel and YouTube channels for free. With the help of free promoter bot in Telegram. First you need to search free promoter bot like this, and also we can share link in description. Click on the start button to run the bot. Then read all instructions and rules written in the message. Like you don't send link in bot directly, click on free promotion, and read out this message. And follow steps written there. Subscribe our official YouTube channel, then join AP community. And join 5 other promoted channels as per your interest. By clicking on promoted channel button. Like this. After joining 5 promoted channel you need to add your friends in the group to spread this service to needy person. Click on button named as add here to add your friend in group to complete your task. Add users as per duration you want to promote your channel in our bot. After adding users in group, return to promoter bot and click on button named as send link. Then send your channel link to admin. And also write number of user added by you. Then wait for 24-hour. Admin manually check all your task. If you eligible for promotion then you receive message like your channel promoted soon, and somehow you receive message like your channel promoted after this days. These all message are edited from promoted soon to promoted, when your channel is promoted by bot. Now go to bot then click on promoted channel. You show list of all promoted channel with time. Find out your channel in the list. And also visit promotion group and click on pinned message. Your channel promoted there also. So, that's it video about how to promote your YouTube and Telegram channel for free. I hope you understand well from this video. Keep supporting us and ask your question in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.